Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know the sound of this letter? It says t, like t, 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 like you're tapping. T, t, t. Can you say that with me 3 times? T, t, t. 2 words that start with the t sound are turtle and tent. Can you hear the t at the beginning? Can you say them with me? Turtle, tent. Good. Okay. Now, let's move our bodies to help us remember the t sound. We're going to make tiny taps like this. T, 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 t. We're going to start really slow and then we're going to go faster and faster. Are you ready? Go. T, 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 t. Now, let's play our sounds game. I want you to get your pointer fingers ready. Point to the word that starts with the t sound. Tiger, frog, bull. Tiger, frog, bull. Which one starts with the t sound? Very good, it's tiger. Good job. You did a really good job learning the t sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.